Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use YOLO for your Android device. Now YOLO is available in Play Store also. So first let's go to Play Store and install YOLO. Let's open the app. Tap on login with Snapchat. Click continue. Now click on get an anonymous message. Then it will bring you to Snapchat camera. Here you have to take a video or make a picture. Let's make a pic. Now tap on send below. Select whom you want to send this message. For the testing, I'll send to myself. I have another Snapchat account in my device, in the same device. So let's tap send. Okay, I got the reply in my another account. New snap. Tab. So your friend will see screen like this. So your friend have to swipe up and tap on the attachment, and he will see the screen. In the screen he have to type his message. And tap on send. So now let's go back. Let's go back. As you can see, I receive a message. You receive a message from YOLO. Let's tap. I got this message. Tap. If you want to reply. Yes. Take a pic. Send to your friend. And likewise. So that's all guys. Likewise you can use YOLO on Snapchat. YOLO is just launched, so limited features are there. Hopefully soon YOLO will make new updates. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.